Hi, Bello. How are you?
Steady like a leaf.
Yeah, you look nervous.
Really nervous.
Yeah, really nervous. Okay, tell me what you're going to be doing.
Last time I got yeses from everyone except from you, and I told you I will do anything to impress you.
And hang on a minute, I'm not taking responsibility.
But-
I didn't ask you to do this.
Kind of did.
You did kind of do that.
No, I didn't. Okay,
Yeah, you
just
did.
tell me what's going to happen here.
Well, hopefully I make it from the cannon over the helicopter and land on the bullseye.
Okay, that blade's going to be rotating.
The blades will be spinning.
Has anyone ever done this before?
This has never been done before. 48 people in history have tried human cannonballing. Half of them have been successful.
And the other half?
Well, the other half died.
Oh my gosh.
Even the ones that did make it have had some major injuries.
What the hell's he thinking? He's lost his mind.
That's my daughter right there. She is watching.
Okay, I think we should just get on with it because I'm feeling anxious.
Good
All right.
luck,
Wow.
Okay, thank you.
Rooting for you.
Are you all ready?
He is nuts.
Yeah.
We have an ambulance waiting here just in case something doesn't go as planned.
Bello! Good luck, Bello! Oh gosh, Bello.
That'll take off ahead in a second.
Simon, I feel a little sick. I don't like this. Oh my gosh.
Now he's in.
Power and cannon. Full power.
Oh my god.
Power.
Arming cannon.
Oh my god, no.
Full safety.
Oh.
Firing.
Oh my god.
4, 3, 2.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's see if he's okay though.
You okay?
Is he okay?
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. If you like this and you want to see a lot more, all you got to do is click right here to subscribe. This is amazing. I think I feel a little viral.